And I tell bro, say why? I say this show go full now. Who wants to stay inside house, Baba? Hit one key introvert. Who wants to stay house? They ungen. Everybody won't come outside, bros. Light no there anywhere. Bro, the way this country be, he show me that is our president bet with another president. Then bet first to scatter your country. Bro, because this is in our life we dey live so. Everywhere just stay anyhow. We go dey complain our problem, give president. He go throw away face like anti-funke. Now country we dey complain. Anything what we complain, then go share rice. Anything you complain, rice, bro. Big bell, everybody rice. This country, all of us need to register gym for this country to work out. Rice everywhere. See price of fuel. When last you see convoy? Everybody they manage, bro. Gone are the days if you won't come this show, you go come on your car, make it warm for 5 minutes. For which fuel? Bro, now once you put key, au revoir. Fuel is too expensive, you can't even fuel your dream. Nigeria, anyhow, you go abroad, you go fit chase your dream. Once you come Nigeria, be like say they chase you for dream. Everywhere tough, bro. Things they run both. Before now we get rich, middle class, and poor. Now either you're rich or you are. Everywhere rough, bro. Before now only men the thing they touch you. Now both men and women, everybody they suffer. You know say now before girl go and eat, she go come go eat corn and pear. Come video and put for Snapchat. Come write craving satisfied. You get another food? Which one be craving? Show us spaghetti where you don't feel like to chop. And they touch everybody. Some working class where you see here. Some of them they buy ticket for their colleague where get fuel. So that one go use in car, drive them come the show. Everybody they manage, bro. I give one girl money to come see me from mainland. The girl enter halfway, trek halfway. I go carry Stella for gate, her leg they dusty. You go play ball. Bro, everywhere rugged though. Hey? Now why are they advise people? Because everything costs. Transportation is costly. And conductor they now they know they stress themselves. Once on a reach on a bus stop and I no get change, then go just pay on her together. They'll say you give this guy 600, you give this guy 400. They don't leave on a go. Now so for Aja under bridge, they pay one pastor with transgate we get big nyash. See your pastor they follow big nyash for back. I want to explain saying I change the define. Everywhere is rugged, bro. Girls they follow suffer. Before once girl get problem, once she put them for her WhatsApp statue, by the time 10 guys they view them, like sis don't come to your rescue. That was then. No. Now my sister, if you like post poison, we go watch and pass. But you will never see. I advise young boys, if your babe they stay mainland and you dey island, you want make she come visit you. No they book Uber for her more the thing to cost. Send dispatch rider to bring her. You go fit enter that small container. Such day, bro. Everybody they manage. This is not the time to check woman. No, say they find girl they go follow me build. Girls no one build again. They want packing. No missing rip again. Girls wait there and girls we want rip here they no so. You dey find girl wey go follow you do wetin. I say na rich and poor na in dey now. To do show like this, do you know what it takes to put up a show like this? Now why all these people wey dey buy table, we go dey appreciate them because na their money they make up for this show. If you dey do show or you dey get project, you dey follow up your chairman. You know say you go dey follow up that chairman like Jehovah Witness. I do my show last year, bro. Just make the man remember me. Once he posts on Monday for WhatsApp, I go write, that's the spirit, my boss. On Tuesday, the guy posts another thing. I write, we go again. On Wednesday, Baba posts, the thing they load, he never load finish. Now I write LOL. I don't know say my mama will die. When he loads, the guy block me. Things there anyhow, bro. And I like big men. I tell you for free. Not only the rich and the poor. Outside here, then they interview big men. Say, what kind of car do you drive? Then ask one man. The man say, I drive a Rolls Royce Phantom. Then ask the other one, say, what kind of car do you drive? The man say, I drive a Mercedes Brabus. Easy. Now then go ask one poor man. Which poor man I go use give example now? Use this cameraman. And a vendor like me now, I know if you customer, customers are always right. Ask poor man that same question. Papa Emeka, which kind of car you dey drive? He reply, my brother, all these flashy cars you dey see, they know they last. Which one you dey drive? Everywhere is rugged. And you know that at this period, you go enter house, everything they finish at once. You go say, make you watch TV, your DSTV don't expire. You open fridge, soup and stew don't finish. You say, make you even drink tea, milk and Milo don't finish. Bro, when we small, now milk they first finish. And how come they use the container, put crayfish until God answer a prayer again? Now 12 days go just finish once. And you know say as your house dey so, the most emotional thing for your house now cooking gas. Any day you dey cook, you can't dey hate the gas, say this gas don't last. You know say na that day they finish. Big man life too sweet. If a big man miss flight now, like this chairman now, if he miss him flight, if he come back on lodge for Transcorp just for 2 hours, wait for a flight. After that 2 hours, he go back. If you enter the room still clean, you don't use anything. And why be say big men, and they always get one loyal poor boy when no get work. I see one go airport, go come call him boy. Emeka, I was in Transcorp, I'm leaving now. Should I drop the key for you? That one go from Gwagwalada. Wear jean and polo, they rush to come sleep for Transcorp for 3 hours. And all those poor boys, they can get girls on standby. As if they come, you don't call 2 girls. Anyone who first come, you go block the other one. Poor boys can active, eh? Where God go punish you now when you sleep off, the girl can't go eat buffet. When they send price come room, now you go know. You go understand, say you and that chairman no be mates. The big man lodge hotel. If they come out, you know they use anything, you go just there with your laptop, they work. You come out, the room go still clean. Poor man. Hey? Even if you come back by 4 a.m., you go wake up 6 a.m., go eat breakfast, and I go the red, you don't want to know, you must eat them. You go use their gym, use swimming pool, even if rain they fall. 12:29, they go call and say, are you retaining? No. 12:30, are you retaining? No. Oh yeah, they go now. You go wait till they come push you out. When you finally want to go, you go see thief hotel tower. Hotel tower can sweet. Get some people house where you go everything with their house now hotel get them. Get one girl I go visit now. Transcorp tower. Bed sheets by Savannah Hotel. I shock her toilet. Teaching hospital toilet. Bro, how you take Tiffan? Crazy, oh, big man life too sweet, oh. No. This life, the only 2 things where they work, I think is politics and betting. Bro, betting. You know, they even girls now they bet. You know, say before, if I say betting, I only meant thing. Me and my guy, they argue about one player, Salvador. We they argue where the guy did, and the guy tell us, say, no, he now plays for Werder Bremen. Ah, mama, you know Werder Bremen. They collect 2 odd. I know say one thing with betting, sporty bet, na very crazy thing. You know, say get away and go chop your money that week. You can't say, bro, this week I need to bet again. As you wake up on Monday, by themselves, they will come dash you bonus. How you go do now? You guys use the bonus. You come play on Monday. Now there your work start. Now big people they chop bet. Big men take it or leave it. You saw the chairman they make code like this. Then they play. Oh. Then go just play Argentina to win with 1 million. Only that match. They will collect their money. And they don't say Argentina they rob. Then go just put their money there. Poor boys. Then go use 100 naira. They play to win 10 million. 100 naira to 10 million. Bro, if not your papa business, go allow that game enter. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is M.O.P. That's my time.